Today we are doing some labeling with our Cricut Joy. Here is how the finished label will look like. I am using black writable smart vinyl and Opaque pens. Not sure if I really pronounced that right, but this is the list of what you'll need. I am using my iPhone. I love my iPhone and the Cricut Joy app for the quick labeling because there's pre-templates of what's there, and all you have to do is just select the style and type in what you want in the label. So here I'm choosing this simple style. We just got a puppy and my puppy's name is Tofu, so I'm going to make a label for her kibble container, and here it is, Tofu's food. Here we are going to choose the proper settings to use the machine. Because it is a smart writable vinyl and I didn't cut it, I'm able to use matless. So here I'm just choosing the correct pen size based off of what is on the box and then selecting my Joy. Here I am sending the project to my machine so it has time to connect, and then you follow the instructions on the screen. This is how the packaging looks. And here it is. As I mentioned earlier, here's where you look for the size. For this project, I'm going to use white on black. I'm super excited about this smart writable vinyl because black just looks amazing when you have a white pen. Before I had white labels with a black pen. I'm going to speed up a little bit so we can get to after how the finished look looks like with the machine. I really love my Joy because it's so portable and easy to use. Now we'll just follow the steps on the screen and let the machine run. And here we are, the finished label. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you shop from Cricut directly, please consider using my affiliated link linked in the description. Have a great day.